Against the Chocomotion Flying Lions. Coach, congratulations on this win. Dreamland is now in the finals. What can you say about athletic performance?
Siyempre, masaya ako na nakabalik kami sa finals. Kahit natalo kami ng game 1 sa semifinals. Ngayon, may chance kami na defend yung trophy ng Dreamland, then makabawi din sa finals. Yun naman yung goal palagi. I defend yung trophy.
Thank you, Coach. And best player in the game.
Siguro nagsimula din po talaga sa training. Yun nga, hindi namin nakuha yung game 1 ng semi-finals. Sinabi sa amin ni Coach na pinamindset sa amin na hawak pa rin namin yung kapalaran. Nasa sa amin pa rin kung gustuin namin makabalik ng finals. Masaya po kami na nag-translate ng pinaghirapan namin sa ng nakaraang mga training at nakuha namin mga panalo at nakabalik kami ng finals.
And for Adelaide, it was quite a journey for Dreamland and conference, but now nasa finals na kayo. Gano'n ka lang din ka-proud sa naging progress na team all throughout this conference. So ngayon, ito na sa last stage na kayo ng conference.
Very proud. I think this is my first time again back playing, going into the finals. And every conferences, we were talking about it, iba-iba yung story namin kung paano kami makakapasok sa finals. This one is another story. That's why we're gonna write together another story this conference. So we're very, very much excited. And all the things na pinagdaanan namin since day one up until now, daming struggles behind the scenes, but we're sticking together. And I think that's one thing that we're backing on, hopefully all throughout until we finish this conference.
Thank you. And for Tots, ginagawa yung teamwork ng Dreamland all around this conference. Personally, paano lang ba yung naging motivation for the team na ngayon nasa finals na kayo because of the teamwork that you guys have?
I think paulit-ulit kami, but I think yun niya. Yung sistema kasi ni Coach Sherwin, para mag-push pala ng teamwork. Hindi namin kailangan kunin lahat ng bola. Lalo na pag hindi sa amin, papunta yung bola. So, yun, I think last game, medyo nahihirapan kami dun sa sorry. The last time we played na with Petrogas, medyo nahihirapan kami kasi nga, hindi namin na-control yung bola. So, ngayon, pinindset lang namin na yung mga areas namin, kailangan namin mapunan yung role namin and makuha yung mga bola. So, malaking bagay yun kasi sabi nga ni Coach Sherwin, lagi na sinasabi na sarili nyo dala nyo. Pagdala mo yung sarili mo kasi yung team, nabubuo siya. So, parang puzzle lang ba? So, yun, I think, ever since day one, yun din yung nakita ko sa Dreamland na team, simula nung pagpasok ko, na yun yung sagot ko lagi na bakit nanalo yung team, kasi nga dahil sa team. So, hanggang ngayon, yun pa rin, work siya ng nag-work at gumagana siya. So, yun yung hindi namin